Hello, welcome back to English Speaking with Oliswa. If it is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. So today we will be talking about two very important words that people often mistake when they have to use them. So the two words are bring and take. So we will be looking at the meaning of these words, the differences, and some examples. Okay, so let us get started. So these words are often confused by English learners because they both involve moving something from one place to another. So the difference is based on the direction of movement relative to the speaker or listener. So that is how you tell them apart. So let's look at bring. So bring means to carry something towards the speaker or the place where the speaker or listener is. So for example, the key word in this is movement towards someone or a specific location. Bring towards. Example would be, bring me a glass of water, please. So in this case, the water comes to me. Number 2, don't forget to bring your homework to school. So where is the homework going? It is going to school where the teacher is. Example number 3, can you bring the book when you come over later? So the book is brought to the speaker. The book is going towards the speaker. Now, when we look at take on the other hand is to carry something away from the speaker or the place where the speaker or listener is. So the idea with take is movement away from someone or a specific location. For example, can you take this letter to the post office? So the letter goes away from the speaker and towards the post office. Please take your coat when you leave. The coat is being taken away from the current place where the speaker is and leaving with its owner. Example number 3. He always takes his laptop to work. So the laptop leaves the home and goes with the person to work. So remember, the two key words is with bring towards the speaker or listener and take away, movement away from the speaker or listener. I hope that was understandable. I hope everyone understood the difference between these two words. Now let us try an activity and see how it goes, just to see if everyone understood. So the activity is just to fill in the blank with bring or take. Question number 1. Can you these papers to the office? Can you these papers to the office? So is it bring or is it take? So if your answer was take, then you are correct. Can you take these papers to the office? Can you take these papers to the office? Number 2, don't forget to your umbrella when you come to my house. Don't forget to your umbrella when you come to my house. If your answer was bring, then you are correct. The umbrella is being brought to where the speaker is. Number 3, my dog to the vet later today. My dog to the vet later today. If your answer was take, then you are correct. because the dog is going away to the vet, or the dog is going to where the vet is. Number 4, please me a cup of coffee when you come back. Please me a cup of coffee when you come back. If your answer was bring, then you are correct, because the cup of coffee is being brought towards the speaker. Number 5, she always her laptop to meetings. She always her laptop to meetings. If your answer was take, then you are correct. She always takes her laptop to meetings. So I'm going to leave it there for now. In the PDF format that I will send, I will leave 5 extra questions that you can do on your own, and you can write the answers for me in the comments section down below so that I can check to see if they are correct or not. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. I will see you next time.